पेडण्या ब्लॅक मॅजिक करता म्हणून कांय विदेशी नागरिकांक हालींच धांवडावन घाल्ले। ते ब्लॅक मॅजिक न्हय तर विक्रमादित्य राजाचेर केल्ले नाटक आशिल्लें। रशियन नागरिकांनी हे विशीं म्हायती दिल्या। नाटकाची गरज म्हणून काळे कपडे घाल्ले। ह्या नाटका विशीं पंचायतीक पयलींच सांगिल्लें। हे नाटक सगळ्यां खातीर मुफ्त आशिल्लें अशें तांणी सांगलें।
We want to clear up the misunderstanding, which arose during our performance in the form of a rumor about the black magic. We want to make it absolutely clear that we are not ministers of any cult or ardent supporters of any religion's outfit. We are just performers. The story of our performance belongs to an Indian epos about King Vikramaditya and his 7-year ordeal on the planet Saturn. The whole story carries a strong legacy of Indian culture, which we love dearly. The event was held on a Saturday, as it in the planet Saturn ruled by Shani Virgo. The color used in the telling of this story is traditionally black and navy blue. From that we understand which is the reason for the dresses we were seen in. Honestly, we are heartbroken that our effort to honor this ancient Indian story was met with such harshness. We'd much rather be accurately educated about our understanding of the Indian culture, but we will fight for it. We also like to inform everyone that we have informed the local panchayat in advance about our performance, which was free for all of the people who come. Again, we are just performers who love India